Do you want more rice or more fish sticks? Keep going, buddy. Mommy's gonna have to turn the movie off if you don't eat.
Hey, Santa does like Grinch.
Yeah, he does. Show me how you use your fork and scoop up some rice.
Where's our 6-6? Where's our 6-6 in our French fry?
You ate all your French fries. You did a good job. Now you have your rice and your fish sticks left. That's good stuff, isn't it? Mommy has my fish, too. Yum, yum, yum. And my rice. Hey, take a bite of rice with me. Are you going to take a bite with me? Okay, you scoop up a bite, too, and we'll take a bite together. Scoop up a big bite. There you go. Ready? Set? Uh-oh. Get it on your fork. Bite. That's yummy. That's good stuff, huh? You only have 2 left, huh?
Just grabbed you, fix it.
You want me to take a bite too?
Yeah.
Okay. And eat it. Okay, next bite, it has to be rice. We'll take a bite of rice together. I'll wait for you. Get your fork, we gotta take a bite of rice.
No, the food.
Stop singing! No wonder you don't have any friends. Only a toothpick.
All right, let's take a scoop of rice. We'll do it together. Mommy has a big bite on my spoon, look. Eli, ready?
I put it right here.
Okay. All right, ready? Take a big scoop of your rice for me. Do it with me. Big scoop. Good bite. That was good. Oh, look what I found, buddy. You better move your apple juice. Another fish or a French fry. You're doing pretty good, buddy. You're eating a bunch of food. Good burp. Hey, I see something in your cheek. Yeah? Okay. Good job.
What was in his ear?
That's called earwax. I think he had some earwax in his ear.
It's right here. Earwax.
Yeah, he got some earwax. Do you need more apple juice?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Did you drink of that one? Here, let me see. Good job, buddy. All right, this one's very full, so be careful.
Where's that apple juice?
I put it right there because it's empty. You did so good that we were able to open up a new one. Eli. Hey, let me see you swallow it all down.
We went out here.
Let me see you swallowed it down. Are you ready for another bite of rice? You have rice, fish stick, or French fry?
What's out here?
I don't know. Take a bite. What's next?
French fry.
Okay. Good choice.